HLI Laser Island Series 3-station laser cutting machine. The unique 3-station design ensures uninterrupted production. Automatic pallet exchange enables non-stop operation. Flexible expansion can be quickly connected to an automatic loading-unloading system. Manual, automatic mode switching for easy adaptation to diverse production needs. Fully automatic loading, unloading ensures continuous, high-efficiency cutting of medium-thin plates. The third station serves as a buffer zone, capable of handling waste bins and sorting parts, as well as quickly processing remnant materials or rush orders. The third station can also process thick plates or special materials. Smart warehousing, compatible with automated storage systems. Modular rack warehouse, configurable on demand to effectively improve space utilization. During production gaps, the third station can be used for cleaning or replacing support strips of the cutting machine. No time wasted. Upgraded dual warehouse solution manages raw materials and finished products in separate zones, doubling storage capacity while supporting a wider range of plate specifications. Future integration with online sorting systems are GV, slat conveyor, belt conveyor options available, offering limitless production line combinations. Human-machine efficient collaboration enables flexible and efficient sorting. Can also be equipped with robotic arms for fully automatic precise sorting and stacking, effectively save labor costs. HLI Laser Island features a fully modular design, allowing the production line to adapt as needed, and reserving unlimited potential for future capacity upgrades.